Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Hindi CBSE Classroom. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button next to it so that you will get notification whenever I post a new video. I have created separate playlist in my channel for each and every class, so please check the description box below and select accordingly. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic is Class 1, Chapter 20, Bhagdad. Bhagdad means stampede. Stampede is a situation where all the animals start running in a same direction. When they get scared, you would have seen in movies where the bulls or cows, everyone when gets scared, all of them will run in the same direction. Okay, that is the meaning of stampede or Bhagdad. बुढ़िया चला रही थी चक्की, पूरे 60 वर्ष की पक्की, दोनों में थी रखी मिठाई, उस पर उड़कर मक्खी आई। बुढ़िया बांस उठाकर दौड़ी, बिल्ली खाने लगी पकौड़ी। झपटी बुढ़िया घर के अंदर, कुत्ता भागा रोटी लेकर। बुढ़िया तब फिर निकली बाहर, बकरा घुसा तुरंत ही भीतर। बुढ़िया चली गिर गया मटका, तब तक वह बकरा भी सटका। बुढ़िया बैठ गई तब थक कर, सौंप दिया बिल्ली को ही घर। So, now let's see the meaning of the poem. So here this poem has been described as Bhagdad because there is an old woman in this poem who is being disturbed or annoyed by animals. That is, it can be a goat. There is a goat in it, there is a billy, there is a cat in it, there is a dog in it. Okay, so the Budhya is being disturbed by animals. So this poem is described as Bhagdad because she has to run here and there because of the animals. So let's see sentence by sentence meaning. Budhya chala rahi thi chakki. Budhya means old woman. Chala rahi thi means she was grinding. What she was grinding? Chakki. Chakki means grinder. So the old woman was grinding in a grinder. पूरे 60 वर्ष की पक्की. 60 वर्ष means 60 years. पक्की means definitely. पूरे means full. She was definitely 60 years old. दोनों में थी रखी मिठाई. दोने means is a bowl that is made of leaves. A bowl, yeah. A bowl you would have seen in villages or even in your hometown where there is a bowl made of leaves, dry leaves. So that is done. Donne में थी रखी मिठाई. दोने she had kept sweet. मिठाई means sweet. There was a sweet in a bowl that is made of leaves. उस पर उड़कर मक्खी आई. A housefly sat on it. Makhi means housefly. Udkar means housefly flew and sat on it. Budhiya baas uthakar dodi. So when the old woman saw that, she took her baas. Baas means bamboo stick, and she ran towards it in order to what? Shoo away the fly. But what happened? Billi khane lagi pakodi. But when the old woman came from the chakki, so she had kept pakodi there. Pakodi means pakoda, onion pakoda, like that. She had kept pakoda there, and cat ate that, started eating pakodi. Jhapti budiya ghar ke andar. Seeing that, the old woman ran into her house, inside her house. She went inside her house. कुत्ता भागा रोटी लेकर, and a dog ran taking the roti. So one side one housefly was eating her sweet. The next time what happened? Cat was eating her pakoda, and now the dog ran with her roti, that is chapati. बुढ़िया तब फिर निकली बाहर. Then seeing that when the dog took her roti, she came outside. बकरा घुसा तुरंत ही भीतर. When she came outside, the goat sneaked inside her house. घुसा तुरंत means quickly he sneaked inside the house. बुढ़िया चली गिर गया मटका. Then बुढ़िया चली. बुढ़िया also went inside. Seeing the goat, बुढ़िया also went inside. But what happened? गिर गया मटका. Accidentally she dropped down a pot and pot fell down. तब तक वह बकरा भी सटका. Within that time span, the goat escaped. बकरा भी सटका means escaped. बकरा means goat. बुढ़िया बैठ गई तब थक कर. The old woman got tired and sat down. सौंप दिया बिल्ली को ही घर. She handed over the house to the cat itself because she was tired running after each and every animal. So she sat there and she said, okay, cat, you take my house. It's all yours. So let's see. Any tough words are there? Bhagdad means stampede. All the animals running in the same direction because they are scared. But here actually Budhiya is running in different direction because she is scared that her roti was stolen, her pakoda was stolen. Okay. Budhiya chala rahi thi chakki. Chakki is grinder. Budhiya was grinding in a grinder. That is not the modern grinder, but of course the traditional grinder we will have. No, see in the picture also it is given. That one stone, made of stone. पूरे 60 वर्ष की पकी. She was totally 60 years old. दोने में थी रखी मिठाई. दोने means as I told you earlier, a bowl made of leaves, dry leaves. मिठाई means sweet. उस पर उड़कर मक्खी आई. उड़कर means flew. Housefly came flying there and sat on the sweet. बुढ़िया बांस उठाकर दौड़ी. Budhiya took the bamboo and in order to shoo it away. We'll have a bamboo fan, no, to shoo the flies. You would have seen a bamboo stick where a fan will be there in front of it so that we'll shoo away the flies with it. So holding that, she ran towards the sweet. But what happened? Billi khane lagi pakodi. The cat started eating the pakoda, her pakoda. झपटी बुढ़िया घर के अंदर. झपटी मीन्स jumped. So she rushed inside her house because Billy was eating her pakoda. But in that gap कुत्ता भागा रोटी लेकर. In that gap what dog did? Dog took her roti or chapati and ran away from there because I assume it was kept outside. So when she went inside her house in order to shoo away the cat, the dog took her roti that was outside her house and ran away. Seeing that, again Budhiya came outside. Budhiya tab fir nikli bahar. Seeing the dog taking her roti away, she came outside. Bakra ghusa turant hi bhitar. Bhitar means inside. Bakra, goat, ghusa, sneaking inside. So the goat sneaked inside the house. Budhiya chali gira gaya matka. So behind the goat, Budhiya also went inside. But what she did? She accidentally dropped or gir gaya matka means pot fell down. Tab tak veh bakra bhi satka. In that gap, what bakra did? Bakra also escaped. Budhiya बैठ गई तब थककर. At last, थक कर means tired. She was very tired and she sat down. सौंप दिया mean handing over. बिल्ली को ही घर. बिल्ली को ही means she handed over the cat itself, the house to the cat itself. Okay. So that is the poem here where one old woman is struggling with the animals, because someone is taking her pakoda, someone is taking her roti, and someone is trying to eat her sweet. For at last, because she is 60 years old, she got tired, and finally she sat down and she said, okay Billy, you take my house, I cannot run anymore. So hope you understood the poem. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.